What, in layman's terms, mind you, what happened and didn't happen at the Supreme Court, and what should we read into or not read into the brevity of a one-sentence unanimous ruling?
Well, first of all, Brian, the big picture is that never has a legal team lost so much so fast. I mean, I've never seen another team lose 50 plus losses in this period of time. At every level, there's losses. There's losses at the federal court, the state court, the trial court, the appellate court, the Supreme Court. I mean, it's really remarkable. I mean, Trump's ability to lose is like unmatched. It's basically like the Georgia Tech Cumberland football game in 1916 of 222 to 0. And as you say, it's only going to get worse because we're at the safe harbor date today. So that means that basically these other state challenges are going nowhere. So with respect to what happened in the Supreme Court today, you called it a near fatal blow, and that's exactly right. The Trump allies had filed a case in Pennsylvania trying to throw out the election results because of mail-in voting. They said that was impermissible. And that obviously lost in the Pennsylvania Supreme Court. So they tried to bring it up on an emergency application to the U.S. Supreme Court. And I think there was some concern among liberal courters that Justice Alito or the court was going to monkey with this in some way. I think most Supreme Court observers said, this is going nowhere. And today, that's exactly what happened. A one-sentence order, which is fitting because that's about all it deserved, saying, go away. This application is denied. Now, Ms. Jenna Ellis, my heart goes out to her today, and I'm sure all your viewers and hope she gets better. But she tweeted saying, well, this isn't the end of it because the Supreme Court didn't deny the certiorari petition. They just denied an emergency application. And the certiorari petition is the legal document you file that says, hey, Supreme Court, hear my case. And the Supreme Court gets about 10,000 of those requests a year and hears about 65. Unfortunately, of the 10,000 requests for Ms. Ellis, this case was never one of them. They never bothered to file that certiorari petition. So she's, I think, celebrating something that never happened. This is, as you say, a near-death blow to this whole litigation.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.